Hello, and welcome to this how-to series for Sitecore Experience Commerce. My name is Rob Earlham, and in this video we're going to be looking at how you can manage the different relationships you have configured on your site. For example, things like cross-sell and upsell. Now I've loaded up the e-commerce business tools, and I'm going to jump straight into this relationship definitions menu on the left. This section allows you to manage all the different relationships you have configured for the different entities you have on the site. In this case, we're going to take a look at the sellable item relationships. Now if we take a look in here, you can see all of the different relationship definitions that you get provided with out of the box. We have ones for installation items, for linking to warranty items, linking out to training items, and we also have the related sellable item, and that's for your cross-sell opportunities. Now, all of these can be managed by yourselves. Say for example, I want to create a new relationship for an upsell opportunity. Well, we do this by using the add button on the right. This lets us add a new relationship definition. We start by populating the name, we give it a friendly display name, and then we enter some description text, so other users will know what this relationship represents. Our source field is populated for us because we've already selected sellable items. And with the target type, we choose what kind of entities we want to link to. In this case, we want to link to other sellable items. Finally, we check the render list automatically checkbox, and this ensures that the new relationship will be displayed on the dashboard for these products. Confirm it, and there you can see it now in the list. Now, when you edit a sellable item's details, you will be able to link one item to another item and represent that as an upsell relationship. But how does this get displayed on the storefront? Well, I'm going to take a look at the related sellable item, the cross-sell for this. I'm going to start by jumping back over to the merchandising section, into my Habitat master catalog. I'm going to go into my departments, cameras, and I added a new sellable item, a new camera. And here we can see its details. I've populated some of this in advance. You can see we have a single entity version, which hasn't been published yet, we're still entering its details. We have the various details populated, like its product ID, display name. We have a couple of variants available, the cameras for sale in both black and white models. And we see to have some images available as well. But I'm interested in the relationship section, and that's back up at the top. I want to use my related sellable item to sellable item relationship to help drive a cross-sell. I want to show this product linked with other related products to help drive the customer to buy more products when they're on the store. So I'm going to link this product to some related ones. I'm going to start by linking to a new lens for the camera. I'm also going to add a link to a memory card. And a memory card reader. And it's as easy as that. You can see now my new camera is linked to these three cross-sell products. I'm pretty happy with that, so I'm going to go and push this through workflow. We can see that its published state is now set to true. So let's go and take a look at how this looks on the CMS side. I've headed back to the Sitecore Launchpad, and I'm going to dive straight into the content editor. Now the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the commerce ribbon at the top. And because I've updated my commerce data, I'm going to use the refresh commerce cache button. And this is going to update all of the catalog data that's been pulled through the item data provider. Now, I'm going to go into my tenant, into my site, and down into the catalog. Again, into Habitat Master, Departments, Cameras category. And I'm going to scroll down to the new camera that I added, which I think should be at the bottom. We can load this up. And if we look in its relationship section, we can see the three products that I selected. Well, how does that look on the storefront? I've loaded up the storefront here, and I'm going to go and jump into the cameras section. Now there's quite a few in here, so I'm going to refine by the brand type, which I selected was Habitat, and here we can see the camera that we entered. We can view its product details, and if we look at the related products below, these are the 3 items that I added. It's the new lens, the micro SD card, and the memory card reader. So, hopefully that's shown you how easy it is for you to manage the relationships between the different products on your site when you're using Sitecore Experience Commerce. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to watch the rest of the series.